Hi everyone, this is Nitesh Kumar Pandey. In today's video, we will make a program which will sort an array element using built-in function. Okay, so uh, you open Visual Studio Code and do practice with me so that your coding skill will be improved and you can learn these things in a better way in one go only. Okay, without wasting any time, I'm just going to open it and there I will write code. You have to also practice. If you don't have Visual Studio Code, then you open online Java compiler and do practice there. Okay, so I'm going to make a file name is, see, file name should be meaningful. If we are doing the sorting of an element array, okay, so I need to write here sorting element of element of array using built-in built-in method dot java. This is going to be our file name. Okay, so I need to write here psvm to insert what main method of the java. Okay, in which I need to write everything about which will about program which I want to run. Okay, so I have to take a user input and then I will use method which is built in the utility class of the java. Okay, and by the using of built-in function, okay, we will execute out our problem. Okay, so I need to here import the scanner class. First import java dot util dot scanner. This is the scanner class which will, with the help of this uh, class, we will make an object, and with the help of an object will able to take user input. So I need to write here what scanner sc is equals to new scanner system dot in. This is the object of the scanner class. By help of this we will take user input. Okay, and now I'm going to import utility class of what java to which in which already ready-made uh, method of the sorting is available. Okay, so I need to write here import java dot util dot arrays. Okay, and now I'm going to take user input. So I need to write here to user, I need to write here a message which will for user to enter size of the array. So I need to write here enter size of size of the array, and now I'm going to take size using an variable uh, n is now sc dot next int. Okay, this is the variable in which size of the array is going to store. Okay, now I'm going to declare a array of size n. So I need to write here int arr. This is the array name, and new int of n array size I need to enter here, that is n. Okay, and now I'm going to ask user to enter number of element in the array. So I need to write here enter n element for the array. Okay, and now I'm going to take all n element using for loop. So I need to write here for int I is equals to 0, I less than equal to n, less than n only because it's starting from 0, so I don't need to write here equal to n. Okay, and then I plus plus. Okay, and then I'm going to take all element index wise. Okay, first element will going to store at 0 index, second will going to store at first index, third will going to store in second index, and fourth will going to store in uh, fourth will going to store in third index, and fifth one is going to store in fourth index if we have enter five element only. Okay, and size of the array is 5, obviously. Okay, then I need to write here sc dot next int. Okay, and then I'm going to write here what I'm going to write here a line which will show the result text. So I need to write here what should be the result text. Below is the, here I need to write now, below is the below is the sorted array in ascending order. Okay, okay, and here I need to pass the method. Okay, so I need to write here arrays dot sort, and what I need to pass here sort, and then I need to pass here s should be. Okay, this is the name of the utility class, this is the method. Okay, sort, and here I need to pass what, our array. Okay, and then now after this, when I will print our what array, then we will get sorted element. Okay, in ascending order. This is the method I have applied to sort an array. Our array name is arr, so I have passed this in sorting method, sorting method of the utility class of the arrays. Okay, java, that is this one. Okay, and now I'm going to print the element of the sorted array. So I need to write here I'm going to print this element using for each loop. For each loop I need to just create the name of the array, and I need to pass previous array. Okay, so I need to I'm going to print sorted array, so I'm going to give a name for print for array is srr. Okay, and in srr I need to pass err because I am sorting this arr. Okay, and I need to print here shout. Shout is a keyword also, which will able which will use to write system.out.println in the Visual Studio Code only. Okay, if you are using another application, then you have to write full name, and if you are using the same application, then you can write shout only. Okay, and here I need to pass srr. Srr means sorting element of the array. Okay, and now we will get the sorted element of the array in ascending order. Okay, and here I need to write sc dot close. This is what, closing of a scanner class object. Okay, to avoid resource leak and can free the memory spaces. Okay, now I'm going to run it. You will see our code is run perfectly. Okay, and after that execution I will write comment for each things. Don't worry, here I need to write enter size of the array. I am entering 5. Enter 5 element I am entering in randomly. You have to also verify your code. Okay, 5 4 3 2 1 1. Now I'm going to enter it, and now you can see now below is the sorted array in ascending order. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5. First is small, second one is greater than greater than, it is continuing till last. Okay, and now here I need to write here what is going here, guys. I'm going to just write comment. Okay, here it is the scanner class to take user input. Okay, this is the utility 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 class in which ready made method for sorting exist. Okay, and this is the main method. Okay, it main method under under which we need to write everything to execute. Okay, this is what, this is the file name. Okay, oh my god, no bro, this is not file name. Control X. Okay, control Z. Okay, here I need to, this one only I need to cut. Okay, this is the main method. Guys, wait, this is the main method, this is the main method, and this is the file name. Okay, file name where our code is going to save. Okay, this is the main method, and this is what, this is the object creation of scanner class. Okay, and this is message to ask user to enter size of the array, enter size of the array. Here we are storing storing size of the array. This is declaration 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 of array of size n, and here I am again writing a message to ask user to enter what, array element. Okay, and we are taking all element using for loop. Here taking element in order. We are taking element order or index wise. We are taking element index wise, and here we are printing message to show result text. Okay, here we are passing method to sort element of array. Okay, and then here this is for each loop to print element of sorted array. For each loop to print element of sorted array. Good. Okay, this is what this is the printing of printing of array sorted array element, and this is closing of scanner class object to avoid resource resource leak and free the memory. Closing the scanner class object to avoid resource leak and free the memory. Okay, so guys, with the help of built-in method, we have sort we have learned to sort an array element. Okay, in next class, in next lecture, we will see how we can reverse how we can reverse uh, how can we can sort an element of array in descending order. In this we have learned ascending order, and in next class we will learn to sort an element of the array in descending order, and this is the problem for you guys. You have to solve in today's only, and in next lecture we will see this problem. Okay, and we will learn method to sort. Okay, actually you don't have to do anything, just you have to print, you have to use a for extra for loop, and you have to um, pass element from right to left. Okay, you have sorted already by using this function. Okay, and after using this function you have to print array in from starting from n minus 1 to greater than or equals to 0 index. Okay, n minus 1 you have to start and greater than or equals to 0. Okay, so that will going to solve in next part. Till then you have to do practice, and you have to revise, and you have to uh, keep exploring. Okay, thank you, have a nice day, bye guys. And if you are facing any issue, then just comment it. I will try to remove that issue in next lecture. Okay, thank you, bye.